Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can invite your friends through a message so that they can install Line, I guess. But there's this button here on top of the profile picture and next to the settings button on the right corner of your screen. You're going to want to select that. Then you are going to select invite on the left corner. There's text message, email, WhatsApp, and Facebook. Select text message and select the contacts that you have. I guess I just have a lot that it won't even load because it's been like this for many minutes, many hours. But let's see if actually any of it shows up. If it doesn't, just select the contact and then press send, and then it's going to open up the share thingy. If you try to share space, it's going to pop up boop, and then oh my god, my voice hurts so bad. I'm trying so hard, but I have to talk for this video. Anyways, no, I enjoy making videos a lot, but I'm just really sick right now. There's going to be options like text message, email, etc., and other apps. You're going to choose the message apps and you're just going to send the invite. And yeah, see, look, I can't even close this because I just have so many contacts that it doesn't want to sync, you know? What if I opened it up again? It gets to point. I don't even talk to that many people, but you can invite people from there, or you can just see or you can just open up QR code and then people can well, here. Well, they can scan the QR code instead. You can copy link, you can share, you can save this. I will regenerate that for many reasons, but yeah, that is it. I really don't use this app that much anymore. I just use WhatsApp and Discord and whatnot, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, let me know if this doesn't work out. You can also auto add friends here by pressing allow, and it's going to add friends from your contact list to your line just by their phone numbers. So you can also do that if you'd like, and again, you can use the QR code to send to your friends so that they can scan you and they can add you, or you can just search up their username. I do that. That is the easiest way of adding people, honestly, anywhere, is by searching for the usernames instead. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.